mix. From Juvia's place. Hello. Mystery box. I didn't know what to expect. I don't know what's inside. That's why it's mystery. It's mysterious. Mysterious. Deep. It just came with the mail. 2 more. Let me cover my address. Package inside. It comes in this brown package. And what do we have here? We have Juvia's place Olori 1 palette. Oh wow. I'll open it later. Olori 1 palette. Olori shadow. It's quite mysterious. And what is this? This is Nubia's lip balm. Nubian. Let's see. This is lip balm. My hand is so crossed because I'm cooking. In between, I said, let me do this quick. I'm doing cookie. This is the lip balm. Nubia. Let me see the color. The lip balm is, it looks a bit yellowish. Oh, it's quite shiny. It smells good. It smells like papaya or something. Let me use it and ash my hand. My hand is so ashy right now because I'm washing dishes and cooking. La mama. I don't know. How do I look? Lip balm. It smells a bit like papaya. I don't know. Be careful. And this is mirror Tribe Highlighter Volume 2. Handbag. It has a mirror. It's so cute. It's cute like a little birdie. Okay, next, what do we have here? Royal. Oh, this is so pretty. But what is this? This is blue. Blue. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on. Let's see. I want to see how it looks. It is. Blue. Oh, ma'am. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Blue. It's nice. It's creamy and very what do you say? Pigmented. Very pigmented. Last not the least, now it's over. It's the same blue. So that's it. So have the pencil liner. Have the lip balm. I'm not really crazy about all that. This one, no. Let me see. At least let's hope this one will rest in the mystery box. Olori 1. Olori means queen, and this is it. Queen-esque. She pretty though. Okay, let me see. Let me put it in my eye. Olori in my eye. I'm just ooh. Let me remove this. There's a plastic that covers the mirror. A little bit. It's almost like green sparkly. But I don't mind it too. Especially with St. Patrick's Day. I got St. Patrick's Day makeup. St. Patrick's Day. Olori 1. Olori 1 palette. Mini palette. It's beautiful. It has this one that's like evergreen. Let me this. It looks like brick. I don't know how to show up. Yeah. And then let me look at this one. This one here. Oh, it's glitter. And then last but not least, I'm out of fingers, so which finger will I use to try this one? And yeah, the other ones I don't know what they were doing. Okay, so that was it. Juvia's Place mystery package. I think I was the one that was mystified now. Okay, film that. I hope, hey, St. Patrick's the makeup. Remember, always be a point of light. Let's cook it.